Well, we're gonna put the Gen Y hitch on the truck and see what it looks like. All right, this is what it looks like in the box, so we'll take that apart and get it on the truck. All right, so this is the shank that goes in here. We can set it at whatever height you want. This thing flips around as well. Rotate it like this. Probably put it here. Line up. Oh, I guess I should have put, this is the gooseneck, or sorry, the pintle hitch thing here. So go in there like that, rotate it around. Pin in there. The other pin, and these little clips, they are like a special clip so that you can't lose them. So that's that. Let's see how that works.